There are countless recipes for chocolate chip cookies available. When a chocolate chip cookie is homemade, it can bring back fond memories, especially when it's this good. I wanted to share this traditional cookie recipe with you today. These cookies with chocolate chips are easy to make, chewy, and the softest of soft. Incredibly soft and chewy, full of melted chocolate chips. Super delicious. The secrets to soft and chewy chocolate chip cookies. Cornstarch aids in the production of soft, thick cookies. Using more brown sugar than white sugar results in a moister, softer cookie. An extra egg yolk adds chewiness. Rolling the cookie dough balls tall and lumpy rather than wide and smooth gives the cookies a bakery-style textured thickness. We also use this method for cake batter chocolate chip cookies. Using melted butter and slightly more flour to compensate for the liquid increases chewiness. Chilling the dough results in a thicker cookie. Ingredients: 2 1/4 cups, 280 grams, all-purpose flour, spoon and leveled. 1 teaspoon baking soda, 1 1/2 teaspoons cornstarch, 1/2 teaspoon salt, 3/4 cup, 1.5 sticks or 170 grams, unsalted butter, melted and cooled for 5 minutes. 3/4 cup, 150 grams, packed light or dark brown sugar. 1/2 cup, 100 grams, granulated sugar. 1 large egg plus 1 egg yolk at room temperature. 2 teaspoons pure vanilla extract. 1 1/4 cups, 225 grams, semi-sweet chocolate chips or chocolate chunks. How to make chocolate chip cookies. Once you've gathered all of your ingredients, it's time to prepare these easy chocolate chip cookies. Here's a simple breakdown of how to make the cookie dough and bake the cookies. 1. Whisk the flour, baking soda, cornstarch, and salt together in a large bowl. Set aside. 2. Whisk together the melted butter, brown sugar, and granulated sugar in a medium mixing bowl until no brown sugar lumps remain. Incorporate the egg and egg yolk. Finally, add the vanilla extract. The resulting mixture will be thin. Combine wet and dry ingredients with a large spoon or rubber spatula. The dough will be extremely soft, thick, and greasy. Incorporate the chocolate chips. Because of the melted butter, the chocolate chips may not adhere to the dough, but do your best to combine them. Cover the dough tightly and chill in the refrigerator for at least 2 to 3 hours or up to 3 days. I highly recommend chilling the cookie dough overnight for less spreading. 3. Remove the dough from the refrigerator and let it soften for 10 minutes at room temperature. 4. Preheat the oven to 325 degrees Fahrenheit, 163 degrees Celsius. Line large baking sheets with parchment paper or silicone baking mats. Set aside. 5. Measure 3 scant tablespoons, about 2 ounces or 60 grams, of dough for XL cookies or 2 heaping tablespoons, about 1.75 ounces or 50 grams, of dough for medium/large cookies using a cookie scoop or tablespoon measuring spoon. Roll into a ball, trying to make it taller than wide, almost like a cylinder. This allows the cookies to bake thicker. Rep with the remaining dough. Place 8 to 9 dough balls on each cookie sheet. 6. Bake for 12 to 13 minutes or until the edges are lightly browned. Extra large cookies may take closer to 14 minutes. The centers will appear soft, but the cookies will firm up as they cool. Cool for 10 minutes on the baking sheet. Meanwhile, press a few extra chocolate chips into the warm cookie tops. This is purely cosmetic. Transfer cookies to a wire rack to cool completely after 10 minutes on the baking sheets. 7. Cookies stay fresh at room temperature for up to 1 week. Baking tips. When measuring flour, stir it around, spoon it into your measuring cup, and level it off with the back of a knife. If you forget to warm up your eggs, simply place them in a bowl of warm water for 5 to 10 minutes. Feel free to substitute dark chocolate or milk chocolate chips for semi-sweet chocolate chips. That's all for today. Hope you liked the video. Let us know in the comments, have you ever tried chocolate chip cookies? For more delicious recipes, please subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to get new updates. See you in the next video. Till then, take care a lot.